Loser unboxing. Hello dear friends, good afternoon. Such a beautiful afternoon. Qu'est-ce que vous nous mijotez? Wow, there are 3 boxes. And Fox Mook. Fox Mook. Is she any problem? Is she the transparent clear lens? So this time my sister visited me, and so I shared my reading glasses with her, and now I have the chance to get a new one. Let's see it. You do not need to see it. Where is my tape? The best thing is using a tape to lift it up. I do not have a tape here. So I use my finger to lift it up. Okay, let's take a look. A little bit, not too much, this fringe. I do not need it to be complicated. It's something like $10, $11, $12. So I do not mind if it is not the very complicated, right? $3 each or $4 each, I can afford if it has some, it is not the perfect, right? As long as I can read it or I can see it clearly. Now let's see myself. Okay, let's take a look. It's still a little bit cold. Uh-oh. Why are you always fall off? A little bit darker. It's not about me, it's about the glasses, right? Okay, the first, how do I look? White one. I like it large enough. This is for my driving. I need a big screen and a big and wide so that I can see the peripheral. If it is too small, teeny tiny, I look on the side, I cannot see. So that is good. And now let's see the second one. Oh, it's more, it's a little bit sharper, right? There are pink color. I didn't buy this. I just buy this. This set of 3 is this color. And I think it's okay. I can see outside pretty clear. Sometimes I tell my students, see, I have new glasses. I can see each and single of your eyebrow. I can count it. Now, the third one. It's pretty good. I am going out and I will use it. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do, 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 do. Gulu, gulu, bye, bye.